Forgiveness is an essential component of any healthy relationship. When we forgive, we open the door to healing and reconciliation. Forgiveness is not an occasional act. It is a constant attitude. Forgiveness allows us to move forward and rebuild trust. Remember that true forgiveness is when you can say, "Thank you for that experience." The fact is that the weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. By choosing forgiveness, we choose love, compassion, and understanding. It is a fact anger makes you smaller, while forgiveness forces you to grow beyond what you were. Forgiveness is not weak, it takes courage to face and overcome powerful emotions. There is no love without forgiveness, and there is no forgiveness without love. Forgiveness does not change the past, but it does enlarge the future. It frees us from the burden of negativity and paves the way for growth, harmony, and the possibility of a brighter future. Be the one who nurtures and builds. Be the one who has an understanding and a forgiving heart, one who looks for the best in people. Leave people better than you found them. I believe forgiveness is the best form of love in any relationship. It takes a strong person to say they're sorry and an even stronger person to forgive. Always remember, blame keeps wounds open. Only forgiveness heals. Forgiveness is the final form of love. There is a famous quote of Abraham Lincoln, "I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice." So let us try to forgive each other, because there is no revenge so complete as forgiveness. In embracing forgiveness, we can create an environment of everlasting happiness. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel.